Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Kelly Brown, and I just want to let you know a little bit about myself. I've been working as a social worker for the Department of Human Services in Philadelphia, which is a child welfare agency. Um, yeah, so I've been there for, again, 16 years as a social worker. That's my last position. I'm currently doing an internship within our agency through our Achieving Independence Center, which is our older youth department. Working with the older youth, the older children, or young adults, I should say, young adults, 14 to 21 years of age, um, helping them with just different areas of trauma that they may have went through, and just kind of helping them, uh, transition into adulthood. What I hope to get out of this course is a basic understanding of how to further help individuals process the trauma that they've been through throughout the course of their lives. A lot of the children that I work with and the families that I work with have went through some form of trauma, and I just want to kind of get a better understanding and a better way to help them get through what they went through and have an understanding. So that's like my main focus on this course. I'm hoping that we get into a lot of the things that causes trauma, and different signs to look out with children who has experienced a lot of it, and just also for personal growth as well. I know that, for a long time working in child welfare, you experience a lot of vicarious trauma yourself. I experienced that a little bit a few years back, and it was hard for me to process that. So, and that's why I think it's so important to have self care and knowing the signs of when you need help yourself. So, some of the things that I do when I practice self care is to just kind of get support from others, talk to other social workers. I found that most helpful. And I also um, kind of just take a break. Sometimes we forget to do that. And I think it's important to just kind of take a break to regroup, get yourself together. I do that with reading, running. I do that a lot with running. And I just kind of get my thoughts together. But I think this semester I'm really going to focus on alleviating a lot of the stress before it comes. Like procrastination is something that I do, then I get stressed out. And a part of my self care this semester is definitely to kind of not do so much on the procrastination. Um, but that's pretty much what I do for my own self care. And again, that is just basically making sure I get rest, make sure I have support and not holding everything in, being able to talk to somebody. And I find that very useful, communicating, and in this field, communication is big anyway. So I feel like, being able to communicate is something that is really good. So thank you for listening to me. See you in class.